everyone, welcome to my video, and today I'm going to be talking about my relationship with Jesus. First, we're going to start off on where I started. So I grew up in the church, and I've been to a couple churches in my lifetime, but the one I'm at currently right now, I really like it. So I really recommend grounding yourself in the church so you get to grow with more people and relate with people your age and so forth. And this is my Bible, and I haven't read it in about 3 days, I'm gonna be honest, but sometimes it's difficult reading it, and I really wish that I would just want to pick this up. But as a human being, sometimes we don't want to do that, and it's very hard sometimes. So it's been really hard for me, but I think my relationship with Jesus has grown a lot over the last 2 months, and I hope that some of you guys get inspiration from this video so you guys can start reading the Bible as well. How I study the Bible is I use these highlighters. They're from Barnes & Noble. They're really good, and I just really like these. They've helped me with understanding what I'm looking at or reading, and it just helps me go back, and if I want to find a verse that I'm like, okay, I want to find a verse about love, I could use these highlighters and look for the orange highlighter, and I'll be like, oh, okay, this verse is about love. For example, I was reading 1 Timothy, and I used some of my highlighters as guides, and it really helped me. I really use the pink one and the yellow one because it talks about instruction, and the yellow one is for God. So I use both of those a lot, but I really do recommend reading your Bible a lot. And also I do recommend a lot of prayer, because prayer can get you even closer to God. And if you want that relationship with Him, I do recommend that. And it doesn't even have to be a very serious prayer. It could be raw, truth, honesty, and He'll listen. Another thing I use a lot is my notebook. This is from Target. I started to use this on the first day of camp on June 2nd, 2024. This was it right here. This was my notebook. I wrote in it every single day at camp, and it really helped me understand how to get closer with Him. And I've written a lot. Look how much I wrote, a lot. So I really do also recommend getting a notebook of some sort, a tiny notebook, big notebook, whatever fits your boat. So that is basically my relationship with Jesus, and I just recommend, trying your best, trying your hardest, and if it doesn't work out, just keep trying new methods, and then you'll find your inspiration. And I really hope I helped some people, and I really hope that I just help people grasp and learn about it. But the Bible is not that hard to learn. It's actually pretty easy once you put in the work. And it can be hard sometimes because the words are really big, but once you start to look at it and examine it and study it, it'll get way easier, trust me. But if you're a teen girl like me, I do recommend this Bible. It's called NIV Bible for Teen Girls, Growing in Faith, Hope, and Love. This right here is my holy grail. This has helped me through a lot. I'm not even done with it yet though. I've read about 3 books in the Bible so far, whole ones. So I'm not an expert on the Bible, but I am an expert in loving God. But yeah, this is the Bible I recommend if you're a teen girl like me. But any Bible will do, NIV, King James, so forth. And it really just matters on your relationship. So anyway, that's just my short video that I wanted to introduce, because I know a lot of people are scared of showing their faith online and their relationship with Jesus. And I just want to show everyone that I am a full believer, and it's been hard for me sometimes, and it's been hard for me for the last week, and I just can't get in the groove with it. I don't know why. But I just want to share the honest truth and raw information, and hopefully you guys will think of this as helpful. Anyway, that is the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys another day. Bye!